this is the sack.
Yeah. Oh, look at my little nugget.
This is the yolk sack.
Yeah.
Can you see heart beating away?
No. So I made that. I went and got some food. I got a super berry, raspberry and strawberry low fat yogurt. These are 63p each. These were £3.50 to £1. £3.50. Well, they're both £3.50. They're £1, so I grabbed them, and I got some mac and cheese. I've already eaten. I was so hungry. Hi guys, just a quick update. So basically, I've had the steroid injection, which really bloody hurt. It was like they put it in like the bottom of your hip / your bum, and it really hurts. Give you your second lot after 12 hours, so I'm due it at 5:30. They said they're going to come back at 10 o'clock / 11 o'clock to do observations, blood pressure, temperature, that type of thing. So that sucks because I love my sleep. I don't want to be woken up. Needs must though. And then tomorrow, probably around 8 or 9 o'clock, I will be induced. They will leave me for 24 hours. At that point, that'll be. So if I would get in 8 o'clock on Wednesday, they won't check me till 8 o'clock on Thursday. And if I've dilated, then I can get my waters broken and get things going and actually have the baby, and hopefully baby will be here by Thursday night. If I haven't dilated by Thursday, then I will have a C-section probably, and that will probably be done the same day. I can't imagine them messing around because he does have anemia, and they want him out quicker. So yeah, that is a plan of action. So either way, he'll be here Thursday or Friday, which is a pain. It's Tuesday now. I'm already like really bored. Hi guys, I don't know if you can see, but I'm having like tiny little contractions, and his heart rate's low for what it is, but that's because of the steroid shock can make him tired. But I'm having tiny little peaks. So I just got my breakfast. I've literally just got toast, Rice Krispies, and then I got my tea and water over there. The steroid shot has made me feel ill and shivery. So as I was saying yesterday, that was making me really hot, really sweaty, and I just wanted to keep moving about, whereas today I'm really quite cold, and I've got like I don't feel well, like I feel sick, and then I have like a pain in my leg, and I get groin pains anyway. I've always had like bad joints, so girl's just gonna have to suck it up.
Not really a video. It just got me yawning.
Guys, I just thought I would update you. The pessary went in at 12 o'clock. It's about half an hour after that last clip, and nothing happened till about 4:30, 5 o'clock. Well, actually tell a lie. So around, I'd say 2, I was having back pain, and it was like a constant back pain. So it wasn't like a contraction back pain, it was just constant back pain. And then yeah, around 3:30, 5 o'clock I started getting contractions. They're getting stronger, so They're every 2 to 3 minutes apart, but not lasting very long, only like 20-30 seconds. So Matthew has literally just left. We were watching Pikachu, Detective Pikachu, so we didn't really film or anything. Matthew doesn't like being filmed, so I didn't film any of that. But we went on a walk to the shops, which is like downstairs. Yeah, so as I was saying, we went to the shops downstairs to look. Well, Matthew wanted a drink, and like I just wanted to walk, see if it made the contractions any better, which it did. I then came back upstairs and went on the birthing ball, doing like a figure of 8 and swaying side to side, which works. But for some reason it made me really tired. Every time I get on the ball, I get really, really tired. So I can only go on it at like 10-15 minutes at a time. Just trying to going up. But yeah, so I could only do it 10-15 minutes at a time. So then had to go back on monitoring, and I think you've seen enough monitoring for one day. My dinner, some sort of beef, string beans, carrots and potatoes with vanilla ice cream, so that's all good. Morning guys, it's 7:30. Matthew's still asleep, but I've just woke up. Contractions stopped last night around 8 o'clock. They were probably every few minutes apart. They weren't very like strong, and then they just stopped during the night as well. So I've got back on the ball, and we'll see. Guys, I wanted to update you. So the induction didn't work. They checked me. I had gas in there, and that was just like a breathe type thing. It didn't work. I'm not dilated at all. So C-section it is. They've moved me to the top of the list. I'm all ready to go. Absolutely shitting bricks. But I will keep you updated.
To the sweetness of spring, you are an artist, and your heart is your masterpiece, and I'll keep it safe.